Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make smooth subtitles in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Premiere Pro, highlight your audio, and then go over to Window and go for this text to bring up the captions menu. Now go over and click on Transcribe. Then after a brief loading sequence, go over and click on Create Captions button. From this menu, expand preferences, then change maximum length to 10 and then click on single and create captions. Now as you can see, our captions are created. Now how you can make it smooth, you can select all of them, highlight all of your captions, go to essential graphics, you can adjust the size and position. Or what else you can do is you can select all of them, go for this graphic and titles and upgrade to captions. And now you can make it more smooth. You can add any effect, you can add any transition on your text and it will be applied to all of them. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make smooth subtitles in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.